You useless used car salesman scummer, what you're around here now with another car! Yes, I know what caveat emptor means, you low-life liar! I'm gonna sue you, I'm gonna burn down your showroom, I'm gonna take that no-good jalopy you sold me and shove it up your bazooka! When I finish with you, you're gonna look like roadkill! You what?
Megatron!
Whoopy Cousion!
Optimus Prime.
No! You dense, irritating miniature beast of burden! Ogres are like onions! End of story. Bye-bye. See you later.
Elecute Joe!
This is cheating and you will die for this!
What did you do?
When my mom lies to my face! I'm 13! Deal with it!